Korra Obidi this, Korra Obidi that. Are you guys gonna let this young girl to rest? Are you guys going to give her space to rest? So Nigerian women, I will say, has come for Korra. Guys, Korra can be my daughter. Oh my God. Korra is only 27 years old. So things are happening on social media every day. Is Korra Obidi, Dr. Justin, Korra, this, Korra, that. Guys, leave this young girl to rest. She needs rest from you guys. Yes, Nigerian girls, Nigerian women have united and they are out to go and help Korra. This is according to everything that I'm reading on social media, comments I'm reading on social media. Do you guys even know that BBC is talking about Korra? Oh my God, my dear Korra, the world is going to be a greener pasture for you. So I also read about Korra's biography. The young girl at her age has attained and she has gone a long way. She has made so many music. She has won so many awards, which I'll be detailing that in my next video because this video is just to tell you guys how people has really approached me personally, asking me to seek for Korra's contact. I live in Toronto, Canada. At least two women that I know, career women, are ready to give up their job for weeks to go to California to help Korra. They are ready. They are ready to go help her clean the house, help her carry the baby, help her cook. Korra, like I said, Korra could be my daughter. Guys, leave Korra alone to rest. Leave her to have peace of mind. Don't drag this girl to do something that all of you guys that are calling Korra will be very sorry for. So the reason I'm doing this video is that some women that I know personally, including two I know personally, like on one-to-one, like I can say we can sit down and talk and chit chat. The other ones are the people that leave comments. Many women wants to come to help Korra. Korra, I hope you're going to get this video. I hope you're going to watch this video. Yes, some women are even signing up for leave of absence. They are coming to California to look for you, to help you. They don't need visa because they're Canadian citizens. They don't need American visa. They're traveling with their blue passport. They just want to come and say that enough is enough. Korra, we are here to back you up. Korra, we will cook for you. Korra, we will clean for you. Korra, we will help you hold your baby. Korra, we will help you do your laundries. Come on. Tomorrow you will say that women are not supporting women. Women are supporting women. So many people are dying to come and spend time and help Korra out. On the contrary, some African men are trying to push this issue into racial issues that because Justin is a white guy, that's why he's treating Korra like that. That's why he was able to come to the public to announce their divorce or separation. Hello, guys. You guys have to know that race has nothing to do with what Korra is going through. Absolutely, please do not drag racial issues into this marriage. Race has nothing to do with that. People can leave all kinds of comments. I also read where people say that Korra married Justin for green card. Hello, how cold can you guys be? How mean can you guys be? Who told you that she married Justin because of American green card. You know, at the end of the day, yes, we make our mistakes. We should learn from our mistakes. They brought the issue to the public. Everybody, Tom, Dick, and Harry, are entitled to come and pass their own judgment. So this has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with race. I think I did a video last week where I say that men also cry. The riches also cry. Not everybody can contain that internally, whatever he is going through in his marriage. So maybe he figured out that the best way for him to tame himself down, to calm down instead of him having a nervous breakdown, is to go out to the public, out there and say it. Don't quote me. This is what I'm saying, why I'm saying maybe. So we cannot sit in our own homes and pass judgment. Korra, Korra married him for green card. Justin is treating her this way because she is African. Hello, guys. What happened to you guys? Why are you guys being overly overwhelmed and so cold? I don't see this to be, I don't see this in any way, shape, or form to be racial issues because she's this big. Come on now. If it's still me and you, like Africa versus Africa, you guys will twist everything around and say whatever you want to see. Now is this race versus this race, stories are coming out. She married her for this, he married her for this. It's not necessary, guys. Find a common ground and let this girl rest. Let her rest. Mentally, she is distorted. Emotionally, she's distorted. Uh, I don't know. If you have had children before, be a new mom, you can at least attest to what it means to be going through postpartum depression or syndrome. And in one of her videos where she was crying, she says that whatever she's doing on social media is the only way for her to move on. And in one of our videos, in one of Justin's comments as well, I'm going to pin that up here. Where Justin said that Korra's father, I hope I'll find that comment, encouraged him to do the video. Because like I said, the story is on BBC, it's on Vanguard Nigeria, it's on Punch Nigeria, plus all the bloggers are talking about it. So in one of the statements that in one of the posts from Punch Nigeria, in case you guys don't know, Punch Nigeria is one of the biggest newspapers in Nigeria. So the things that Punch newspaper posted, so Justin went over there to write comment, and it is not like a fake account. I click on that comment, I followed the person that wrote the comment, and it was Justin, where he said that he did not betray the wife, that Korra's father encouraged him to do the video. And also, when I was reading on the internet, I was meant to understand that Korra's mom is no more. Is this true? Does anybody know about that? Anything can happen on internet. I don't know. I didn't talk to Korra. This is what I read on when I was reading her biography, that her mother is late. So somebody correct me if this is wrong or this is right. I want to know, because anytime I come here and tell you guys, I don't know. I just say it the way it is, so that you guys will not go and say that kartiavelino said she did. So this is what I read from the internet. So guys, please, I beg you from the bottom of my heart, let Korra rest for now. Leave Korra's issue alone. There are so many other news on the internet that you guys can focus on. Korra this, Korra that. Enough is enough. Please leave my daughter alone. Goodbye, and let me know what you guys think. Bye for now.